Hey viewers, are you looking for to fix Realme phone no service problem? In this video, I'll show you how to fix Realme phone no service problem. So let's see the step. First of all, you need to open settings. So find settings and click on it. Now here you can see mobile network. Just click on this option. Now select the SIM card that is having the problem. Just click on this SIM card. Here you can see enable option. Just toggle on this option. And here you can see preferred network type. Just click on this option. And here select 4G, 3G, 2G auto. And automatically select network. Just turn on this option. Now go back and scroll down, find system and click on this option. Now scroll down and click on reset phone. Now click on reset network and Bluetooth settings. Now click on reset. Now go back to home screen and normally restart your phone. After all step, now check your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.